One of the unique and great things about WeatherWeld is the lack of details. Every other roof system on the planet that relies on seams has to have multiple different layers, multiple different patches, multiple different materials that have to come together to roof a transition like this. Now, this is a very atypical transition. Typically, we have a curb. We have a big box. Now we have a curb, and now we have a vent. But WeatherWeld's able to tie all the way underneath this flashing, come all the way down, make this one seamless piece to this base flashing, and then continue on all the way for the rest of this roof as 1/4 of an inch thick seamless reinforced piece. And there's no other roof system on the planet that can do that like WeatherWeld can. When we look at something like single ply or built up or all the different systems that are on the market right now, they all rely on different materials and tools and seams and hand welds and human beings having to weld that together, where WeatherWeld makes this entire roof one seamless piece, from this penetration to encapsulating this AC duct to another exact duplicate all the way over to that roof hatch. This entire roof is one piece from the top of the flashing all the way down to the bottom of the drain. And you can only get that from WeatherWeld.